Hello all, welcome to Code Crush Coding. In the last two videos we have seen how to open a file in the file handling concept, how to write a file, how to read the specified content of the file, and how to create a new file. In this video we will see how to delete a file. So to delete a file you must import the OS module and run its OS.Remove function. So this is the module you need to import in your code and you need to make use of this remove function. So in this way you can import the module with the help of import keyword import and then the name of the module OS, and directly you can specify here the method remove and name of the file here. So to avoid getting an error you might want to check if the file exists before you try to delete it. Let's say you have used this above statement and this file does not exist in your file system. So in that case you will get an error. So to avoid that error or to handle that error, you first need to check whether this file exists in your file system or not with the help of this method os.path.exist. So it will return true if the file exists and return false if the file does not exist. So let's see in our code how you can make use of this module, OS module. So let me create here a new file. So let's create a new file here, new Python file or delete file. Let me close all this existing file. Let's say we want to delete my text2 which has the content Python learning. So first thing is import the module import OS. So this is the module we need to import, and then you need to make use of os.remove method, and as these both files are located in the same location you just need to specify the name of file. If they are in different location you can specify the entire path. So I want to remove my text2.txt file. So currently this file is present here. After executing this code the file should be get deleted. Let me run this code. So here we can see process finish with exit code 0, no errors are there, and you can see here the file has the file is not present here, means it got deleted. Another thing we need to check is, let's say I specify here I want to delete this file my text21, but this file is not present here. So in that case you should get an error. So let's run this code. See, we are getting an error, file not found error. So in order to check if the file is present or not you need to make use of path.exist function. So let's say how to make use of this. So you can add here if else statement, if os.path.exist. So we are making use of this path.exist which we have seen here, os.path.exist, and provide the file name. Let's say the file name was my text. Let's say we want 11 here as this file is not present. If that file is present then we can directly remove that, os.remove, and name of file my text 11. If that file will be present then it will get deleted. If that file is not present then in else part you can provide print statement here, sorry file not available or file not found. You can provide here the statement. So let's run the code now. See, we are getting a message, sorry file not found. So our code is not generating any error, we have handled the exception here. So if the file is present, let's say we want to delete my text1 which is already present here. So in that case the file will be removed, so else part will not get executed. So let's run the code. See, the file finished with exit code 0 and you will not able to see the my text1.txt file. So that is the use of delete method or remove method in the OS module. So we have seen this method how to remove the existing files or how to delete the file. So that's it in this video. We will cover another topics of file handling in next video. Thank you for watching.